Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use Klarna on Zalando. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, and let's begin. First, choose the product you want to purchase on Zalando, go to the checkout page, then select payment in 3 installments with Klarna as your payment method. You will be redirected to Klarna at the end of the order process. If you are already a Klarna customer, log in with your credentials and make the payment. If you are new to Klarna, create an account and then complete the payment. The payment will be registered within a few minutes and your order will be processed immediately. So that's basically how you can use Klarna on Zalando. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.